Here is my bearish Ethereum thesis. It starts on the daily chart for Ethereum. Number one, Ethereum held the level of $2,800 per token in April, in May, in June, in July, and it broke in August. So Ethereum is trading below these multi-month support levels. Okay? And then when we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was trading at 60K in May. It was trading at 56K in July, 48K in August, 54K in September, and it's trading above it. So ETH is trading below a multi-month support level, while Bitcoin is trading above its multi-month support level. Okay, that means Ethereum is objectively weaker. When we apply this logic to Solana, Solana was trading at $120 over the same time frame. In April, in May, in June and July, in August and September. Okay, so Solana is again objectively stronger than Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum is the weakest of the major cryptocurrencies. Okay, that is one part of this analysis. The other part of this analysis has to do with the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. The Ethereum Bitcoin ratio is printing low after low after low after low. The Ethereum Bitcoin ratio is currently trading at a 1,274 day low. This is the value of Ethereum priced in Bitcoin. This chart going down is very bad for Ethereum investors because it means people want Bitcoin, they don't want Ethereum. So until this chart finds a bottom, Ethereum is not going to be performing very well. In the same note, Ethereum dominance is currently trading at a 1,281 day low. Ethereum dominance encapsulates the market share that Ethereum currently has, and as you can see, it is losing market share quickly. The other chart that I want to put on your guys' attention is Solana Ethereum. This is the price of Solana in Ethereum, and as you can see, it is going up and to the right quickly. This means people do not want Ethereum. They are selling Ethereum to buy Solana. This is a very insightful indicator. Another piece of this analysis that I want to put on your attention is this is Solana TVL. We're going to do ETH_TVL. Okay. From 2024 until now, a very clear trend. Solana TVL is growing while ETH TVL is shrinking. Okay? That means there is more equity flowing into Solana, the blue line on top, than there is Ethereum, the pink line on the bottom. So we've talked about Ethereum USD price and how market structure is bad. We've talked about Ethereum Bitcoin ratio and how it's bad. We've talked about Ethereum dominance and how it's bad. We've talked about how Solana Ethereum ratio is bullish. We've done a comparative analysis of TVL growth or contraction, which favors Solana. Another piece of data that we can use to center this analysis is using the website ultrasound.money. And when you look at Ethereum on a high time frame, this chart going up means Ethereum is inflationary again. Ethereum is inflationary again because nobody is using it. Because nobody is using Ethereum, it is inflationary again. In fact, it has almost given up all of its deflationary gains from 2022 until now. And the way you can look at this is by looking at ETH gas fees. People cannot afford Ethereum, they do not care about it. Plain and simple. Steve.eth, the smart man in the chat, says they are using it on layer 2s. I would agree with that to some extent. They might be using it on layer 2s, but I don't think that is a bull case for why the USD price should go up. personally. Okay, so we've talked about ETH market structure. We've talked about ETH ratios. We've talked about how it's inflationary again. We've talked about TVL. And the last piece of analysis is simple. The Ethereum ETF has been a massive disappointment so far. So for example, over the last 3 days, the Bitcoin ETF has garnered over $1.1 billion in inflows, while the Ethereum ETF over the same 3 trading days had a $5 million inflow. That means it is behind the Bitcoin ETF and is only getting 0.5% or 0.0005 of the Bitcoin interest. That is fucking crazy. I will repeat that. The Bitcoin ETF has seen over $1.1 billion of inflow over the last 3 days, while the Ethereum ETF has only seen $5 million of inflow. So I am not saying Ethereum is not going to go up in value this bull run. It will go up in value. What I am telling you is I am seeing major warning signs of not only ETH underperformance now, but likely in the future. When Ethereum crosses $2,800, I think that is going to be when we see some Ethereum strength. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,618. Chat, did we like that analysis? Yes or no?